In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Webflow on Windows 11, creating a convenient shortcut on your desktop, even though Webflow itself doesn't have a native app. This method will allow you to have easy access to Webflow, simulating the experience of using a standalone application right from your desktop. Let's get started. The first thing you need is the Google Chrome browser installed on your Windows 11 PC because we'll be taking advantage of one of its features to create a shortcut for Webflow. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the Webflow website. Make sure you're on the home page or the Webflow dashboard, wherever you feel you'll most frequently need quick access to. This will be your entry point whenever you use the shortcut. Now that you have Webflow open in Chrome, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the browser. You'll see a 3 dots icon, also known as the More menu. Click on this to reveal a drop-down list of options. Normally, this menu is packed with various useful tools and settings for customization, but our primary focus here is on the option related to installing the page. From this menu, look for the option labeled Cast, Save and Share, and click on it to expand your choices. Once you're in the Cast, Save and Share section, you'll need to select the option that says Install Page as App. This feature essentially transforms the web page into something resembling a standalone app. After you click this option, you might notice a slight change in the appearance of your Webflow page, as it adapts using Chrome's capability to run the page in an app-like window. Now, let's talk about what has just happened. By installing the page as an app, Chrome creates a shortcut which you can find directly on your desktop. If you navigate back to your desktop, you should now see a Webflow icon, much like you would for any other software application you may have installed. Double-clicking this icon will launch Webflow in a dedicated window, free of all the usual browser tabs and address bars, offering a cleaner and more focused workspace. This method doesn't actually download Webflow onto your computer, like a traditional app, but it does significantly streamline access to it, giving you the feel of a native application experience. You'll find it incredibly handy for quickly jumping into your projects without the need to open a browser and search for Webflow every time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Webflow shortcut on your Windows 11 desktop, simplifying your workflow. Hope you found this helpful and happy designing.